fixing wrongs to right, so steel and sweat echoes in his mind, oh, broken streets beneath the city's rough design. Up above the world spins on vast and wide. Through the darkness his hammer swings with pride. Through the city's veins he moves with might, oh, in his solitude braving the endless night. His heart's in sync with every thudding beat. Where his hammer lands, the old and new they meet. While the stars whisper tales of light far and wide, in the stillness his pulse is the only ride. Stardo ain't still, silence for Vergestel. In the heart he finds his grace, till the dawn breaks through. He'll hold his place. He builds dreams from preludes he breathes life. Hammerin Harry, bound by sparks and flame. Silent streets call his name. See the ring doors, everything away. Seems to he wise, he was in many mind. Hammerin Express, everything I seen you. All this forwards, in if the one's the blue. You must born master, saving down my senior. In the heart he finds his grace, till the dawn breaks twice. He'll hold his place. Hammerin Harry, ghost of the restless streets. Silent nights, in rhythm his heartbeat meets. Forge the future with every crashing blow. In his solitude, sparks ignite the sorrow. Above the city, stars whisper secrets to the sky. His anvil sings, metal draperies through all plains. And stormless mornings, he is eternals and your zodiac. In the heart he finds his grace, till the dawn breaks thrice. He'll hold his place. He finds his grace. Now this plot all is locked in the game. Under the iron sky he carves his fate. Oh, in the midst of silence he accepts the weight. Oh, every chisel mark echoes through the maze. Oh, in shadows deep where the city lays. Oh, with a heavy heart he takes each steady stride. Through the iron and stone, nowhere to hide. Under iron skies he carves his fate. Oh, in the machine's pulse he hears the weight. Oh, each chisel stroke, a dream comes late. Oh, through the alleys, sparks anticipate. Oh, above the factories, the stars stand still. Oh, his anvil rings, metal dreams fulfill. Oh, the silence where his dreams reside. Oh, in the shadow of the city he stands tall. Oh, crafts a future where the echoes fall. Oh, in a world of steel he's carving his way. Oh, for every strike a hope is laid. Oh, vigilistly urging you away. As it's your plea, tell me every way. Assembly line, oh, with every swing he counters the calls, oh, steel and sinew against the factory walls, oh, in the maze of metal he fights for light, through the darkest hours he holds on tight.
probably get hyped, boy, because you know you can't. You can't touch this. Ring the bell. School's back in. Now stop hammer time.
Inventing the light, oh. Circuits and sinews, a symphony code, oh. A maestro of iron, his story unfolds, oh. Will forges its canvas in twilight, he strives, turning the wheels where his spirit survives. Every spark flies under the city's shield, oh. Hammerin Harry to the darkness, he will not yield, oh. Gears grind out the rhythms in his heart so tight, oh. In the flicker of the forge finds his guiding light, oh. In the dead of night where he's most alive, oh. Through the fiery dance, his dreams survive, oh.